Today, we're going to show you how easy the online portal is for pet owners to use, giving them full access to booking appointments, their pet's details, complete clinical histories, and paying invoices, just to name a few. Let's have a look. ezyVet recommends that our customers embed the link to their online portal within their own website, so it's easily found. Or email it directly to pet owners. Once the link has been selected, the first screen they'll see is the login screen. ezyVet practices can customize the logo, background image, and color scheme. For pet owners, they simply log in if they've already created an account, or select first time logging in to create a brand new account. Let's log into an account that's already set up. Once in, they'll see the dashboard and a snapshot of upcoming appointments, patients attached to their account, and a quick overview of their financial history. Let's walk through how easily pet owners can book in an appointment from the comfort of their own home. Select Book Appointment. Answer the questions. They can easily choose their preferred day and time. Select the patient the appointment is for. Add the reason for the appointment. And lastly, select Submit. And just like that, their pet's all booked in. Under My Appointments, you can view upcoming appointments and historical appointments. So pet owners no longer need to guess when they last went to the vet. They've got all the information they need. Pet owners can easily keep their details up to date here. And changes are automatically updated inside of ezyVet. Pet owners can make purchases through the portal on products the practice chooses to display in View Products. Pet owners simply add items to their shopping carts by clicking the cart icon. Once they've added their products, they can head over to My Shopping Cart to place the order. Once submitted, the practice will be alerted to fulfill the order and send the invoice to be paid online. Next up is the clinical section. This gives pet owners full access to their pet's complete history, from clinical summaries, diagnostic results, documents and files, to standard of care. Each section is customizable, so practices can choose what they want their clients to view. And lastly, the financial section, where pet owners can view financial history, invoices, payments, and stored cards. If configured, pet owners can pay online too, by selecting the card icon to be taken to a secure pop-up payment window to complete payment. It's that easy. Now you can see how the online portal works seamlessly with ezyVet to provide pet owners flexibility, visibility, and an overall enhanced client experience.